Hello, guys. So, it is almost time for me to pack up and come home. I can't believe that the summer's almost over. So, I figured might as well give you guys a little dorm tour. I have packed up some stuff to bring home because I'm gonna go home for a couple days and then come back. So, there's a little less stuff in my room, but I figured why not give you a dorm tour. So, I'm gonna flip the camera and we're gonna get started. Okay, so when you walk into my room, we have my shoes. I did have a lot more shoes, but I'm gonna bring most of them home. So these are the shoes I have. And it's so sad, but the snacks I have left. Water, peanut butter. I'm debating if I should go to the store again, I don't know. And then this is stuff I'm bringing home. My art supplies. And here, wait, you can't see my face. And then like, I have my own room, so I just use this for like putting stuff. I have my robe. And then like school stuff, because if you didn't know why I'm working full-time in a small mountain town, I'm still working on getting my master's degree full-time too. So of course I brought my school stuff, my purse, and then I have like a huge big box of like, and then over here I have 2 desks. This is one of them. I have my iPad, my Apple Watch. If you don't know me, I have the Apple ecosystem, if you will. Headphones, I have like for my glasses, This is the current book that I'm reading, my devotions and my Bible, my cords, if you will, my cute flower lamp, fan, medication, water, laptop. These are makeup wipes. And these are more of those glass wipes, scrunchie, glasses. And then here's my bed. I'll give you a full look. So the bedding, like the purple sheets, are from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. The most cute, coziest blanket ever, if I might add. Silk pillowcases. Those I got from TikTok shop, if you will, but the brand is KITSCH, however you pronounce that. My stuffed animal that comes everywhere with me. In my closet there was a lot more stuff, so that's like the stuff that my bedding came in. Dirty laundry, dressers, more bins, wipes, hat, clothes, and then that's like more packing stuff. Under my bed is a lunchbox, and all my suitcases are inside of that one. Then this desk is kind of where I get ready. So I have like, I ran out of a lot of my stuff that I use, so this is what's left. We have deodorant, it's a 10, like thigh chafing deodorant thing, leave-in conditioner, body mist, like it helps with like ingrown hairs, my favorite lotion, and this is like my makeup brushes, makeup, skincare, the bag I use every day. This is a mirror that lights up, and like a scent thing. And then the drawers, I have loose Q-tips, medication, some band-aids, not band-aids, batteries. This is like hair stuff. And this is just kind of a catch-all drawer. I have pads, toothpicks, trash bags, straightener, cotton rounds, wipes, toner pads, more deodorant. And then of course my big fan from home. It is dying though, so I'm probably gonna have to buy a new fan. And then this is my little itty bathroom. Let me show you. I have my towel, like a towel, hair towel, bathing suit, the goods, cute little rug. Those are dirty. They're wet, that's why they're there. Shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, razor. Wait, there we go. Yeah, and that is my room. Thank you for hanging out with me. I did make my bed just for this video because I'm a chronic not gonna make my bed, because why would I make it if I'm gonna just go back into my bed? So I made my bed just for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. I'll see you later. Bye.